It's like easy.
Yes.
If mini.
Yes. If you Yonenge ni mabuka kamera ni beni bokuna aka kamera ni kwamba.
If mini.
Manwa. Nufanya.
Difunesa miyaga.
Muneza miyano. Na funesa ngoro miyano.
Gori ya funa.
Goro ya wafuna. Soguma, zero jogo deni de jogo de hapme.
Dova.
Ani banal.
Tunar.
Ngorjipa.
No.
This little guy is such a liar. Why would he lie?
Not eat. Not eat. Not eat. Not eat. Who was it? Who was it? Who was it?
Baby Lily, how are you? Thanks, Amber. Give me the t-shirt.
If you what?
If you wait, if you mean
Number
you.
A. Can be. If you mean. What? If you what?
You smell horribly.
Ma. If you
Hey.
what?
Yeah, come to if you mean.
If you what? A. Yes. Ma. TV.
I need to be. What can you say and get her food? Yeah, bani kwenye mbele ni zazo Monday, Tuesday, nasa za kamera ngi.
Monday. Tuesday.
Anja banda.
Dogume Kayla.
Ni gumeka ante. Hi, Erani, hello.
Hello.
Ani tutari. Red.
Titan.
Which means, how are you?
How are you?
Erani. Ambali ngachivenda. Ngiri pinyi.
TV oritonda. TV oritonda.
Lingme. Nasa zange kaka man.
Chili.
Nipi nyumu zina lam. Nipi Emmanuel.
Emmanuel.
Cheza oritonda. Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hello guys.
Hola guys.
Yes. Ufini naka.
Donaga.
I know.
I know.
Imanunu kitani kusisa. Irani mbawa kutanza mwana.
Mau katanya ngai.
I'm bathing the baby. That's why Imanunu on the live. You know what? My son is dramatic. What is the Honey, hello. Emanuele, buoni in zero saudi.
Buti.
Yes, zero saudi.
Buti.
Tanto zura, ani buona anche cacao.
Buti.
Buti è già.
Let's go kiss you.
Okay. I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Nifuna balava rangashonaga.
I love you guys.
I love you so much.
I love you so much.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Me too.
Ndimini vasumbedzeni avala vatenge vechivo. Ndimini vavudzeni uri ndimini.
Mini.
Ambira nini pasindansina kamera. Nivasumbedzi. Achivona. Ndimini.
Chitu chamini. Chitu.
Really?
Nilelami.
Eh?
Nilelami. Nilelami.
Really? Emmanuel, who is your sister?
Asita.
Who is your sister?
Sita.
Karazama ndinyi?
Dina lawe.
What's your sister's name? Zina la karazama upinyi karazama.
Upiru anda.
Limwe.
Lipilanga.
Really? Are you sure?
Ne.
Eh.
Nandikogeriwa.
Nikugerwa. Shokuma. Ngomye kutobebuliwa. Then get someone to chip better there. Hi guys, Emmanuel wants a new hairstyle.
Guys. Mucho como nada.
Shokuma.
Tita Futi.
Hey, don't put. Aisha, I think it's a bit. You're making noise, Emmanuel. What are you doing, Belle? Which color is this, Emmanuel? Hey, this one.
Hey.
He forgot. He forgot.
For God.
You forgot. And this one? Which color? What color is this?
What?
You don't forget. And this one?
So. Big.
And this one?
What?
Why do you love white? And that one? Korean.
Orange.
Orange. And this one? He forgot. He's saying he doesn't know. So I'm trying to teach him colors with different variety, with everyday things. And then
Hello. Hello.
don't drink it. Bani bonenge. Oh, chani bonap. Guy, no apa? Yeah. Yo, Sundaria. Oh, nanti kau suka diambil lah. Ini semua jauh. Ani bonari. You can't see you. You can't see it. Yo, what's happening? Nunca puna like his. Nanti kau ni bon. I can see you now. I can see you. Cool. Nunca mami ni Manuel. Aye. Bago di sana rinere hello chipe. Hello wako finda kana a. Era ninda.
Da.
Somebody hello.
Hello, mom.
Era I love you.
I love you.
I love you guys.
I love you guys.
Mwah. I love you so much.
Nami ya funa.
Nifuna
Anyanga.
nifuna miano. Nifuna mimi.
Tikafuna orangela ajiliwa.
My son is saying he loves me because I buy him food. Emmanuel, you're mad. Emmanuel, you're really mad, you see?
Dawonara.
Ani vona da kwani ni men da zvona.
Dawonara.
Izina ni vona. Ni vona ndo zina ni vona. Oh. Nani vona ni?
Dandi kubona mapopangi.
Mapope anofini ni kwete ya mimi mapope. Zurani hapa. Ngobe. Na vona mapope anofini.
Oh no, femini. Halani guru.
Papa petrolo. Mapio.
Papa plo. Some bed.
So tu one go tamba, so tu. Hey, he wants to leave to go watch cartoons. Yes, but oh, it's around 3 now and no, you have to bath. Vuoni bani vanenge kamera zinene kuita. Itani bani bon. Itani zinene kuita bani bon. Niko lila nuri. But then he say. The babu zema say. Na rango then he say.
Siyan.
Ngozima Ngozima ba meni Manuel. Nani mwenye kwa bisha mabuzi. Nani kwa mabuzi. So kuma. Oh, what is the I don't have money, babe. Say hi, Daniel. Manuel. Really hi, Daniel. Who's Daniel?
Yeah, the man.
Look at Daniel, Manuel.
Oh, the man.
And hi, hello guys.
Bye.
Nishira hello guys ni amba no senza ngina hello.
Hello.
Yeah, wait, ira ndi Manuel ne.
Di Manuel.
Which translates to my name is
Triangle. Nando kona triangle.
No, but triangle. Yani G, yani alphabet. Like I told you guys, those who are subscribers know that I homeschool my son, guys. My son is homeschooled. I homeschool my little baby, so he's gonna take his toys. He's coming back. Let's see.
Triangle.
Wow! Emmanuel! Yan jang.
You want triangle?
Ingwe toy. Ingwe shape.
Shape.
Yan G. Oh my god. Say I'm back. Sorry, baby. Sorry. Dan zirap. Ni sumbet. Zawad. Sumbedzan. Ngu jabe. If you mean. Wow. Ngu jabe. Wow. Yes, that's true. That's a square. Wow. Ngu kona Emanuele. Isang pan.
Orange.
The orange in this one. If you mean mal.
It's orange.
The color, if you orange. Mal, if you mean shape, if you mean.
Shapey.
If
Look at me.
Then I don't know if you mean.
Hey.
If you triangle, if you square, if you mean.
Square.
Hey, no, formation.
Hey. If it's square.
You know. If you mean.
If you shape.
Hmm?
Shape.
Hayi, ngikuzipha vijani. Kusho kuzipha.
7.
Simba zari yange kakamela.
7. Orange.
Ah. Okay, you're obviously gonna get away with it.
Hexagon.
Yay! Simba zani abungoibona zwavhuḓi.
Hexagon.
Chani.
Hmm?
Chani.
0.
Yay! Wow, Emmanuel, wow.
Infinity.
Ani dewe. Ingedzani. Try.
12. 12.
I'm literally telling him. He's saying it doesn't know it. They are.
Pazam.
Huh?
Pazam.
Every minute.
Pazam.
Every single time is a new name. But yeah, it's basically he's trying.
Try.
Every minute. Masumba zerienge.
Try.
That's zera. Yeah, cause
Try.
you're lying.
3.
Wow. Then it went. Yeah. The trick is being patient.
1.
Wow.
Lokona litanga.
Yes. Yo, how when I
4.
Mene.
That's 4.
Ndini eifarani basumbezere fimini.
8. Infinity.
Jani 4 yaku. Hey.
4.
Yay! Yay!
Mini. 3.
Asuzone. Isani kona umzere. Put it back.
Gaikoni.
Andikona ndizvidosungidehumbura. You will remember.
The umbura is you vera.
Yes, I know.
Minus.
Wow!
Yes.
Yo, you're nailing it, Shem. Now you're doing it.
5.
Yee! Hi, this one is a genius, Shem.
Pentagon.
Yo, guys.
54.
Abanza would equals to Abanza would.
Peshemaka.
Eh?
Peshemak.
Question mark, this one. It's a question mark, but hey, he's still young. He's gonna learn, obviously.
Atikoni.
Nkuzvipa. There's no way he's saying he doesn't know. So I'm gonna test that he doesn't know. Obviously he knows. He just needs time.